I tell you, the strangest things will end up inside of boosters. I'm redoing this Hemi unit for a client. Sent it in. It's in pretty good shape, but what I found inside the can. I've never seen that before, ever. My Uncle Ron hadn't seen it anybody. Somebody took some glue, hot glue. We could tell somebody had been in it once before because of the way the can was split. But anyway, that's interesting. And then we get over here to the nose cone. And I'm like, man, we need to wipe that dust out of there. That ain't dust. That's like play sand. Oh, damn thing's got play sand in it. Hell, no wonder it didn't work. God bless you. God bless America. Happy Mopar.